Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Skyline, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's enter More Status, which is at the very bottom of the list. Scroll down again to find Build Number. Keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode and confirm everything with your screen log. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So now we can go back to the general settings and enter System. Now tap on the developer options, and here scroll down a little bit to find automatic system updates. Simply tap on the switcher to turn it on, and basically from now on your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. You can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.